big score. Against the odds. Against the wind.
You know what?
And in the rain. I'm gonna find a different way.
Man above, take care of me, though. Don't worry about it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Shazam.
Oh yeah, this totally looks like a spot.
Speed limit, okay?
Okay. On the road again. Got them good old free refills and internet. Trying to figure out what's going on around here, you know what I'm saying? Whew, that didn't take long. Already getting harassed. Employees tell me I can't sit outside their store. Like, I just bought a coffee 20 minutes ago. Sitting out here trying to drink and get some information. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't get a whole lot of information before I got kicked out. I have no idea where I'm going. Somewhere down this road. I gotta go check it out. What the heck? No way! I'm gonna be honest with you. I got about $1.50 in my pocket. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm having a great time. Really, it's pretty exciting, I'll be honest with you. Woo! Sure as heck beats being bored. Well, I guess that's it for Greeley. Alright, just stopped here at a grocery store. Got some peanut butter and jelly. Got it on the internet. I made it 25 miles down the road, and I got about 20 miles till I get to Longmont. Next place I'll get on the internet and see what time it is when I get there. It's about 10 o'clock now. It's pretty early. Let's hit the road. Downtown Loveland. We came, we saw, and we conquered. Got some blue skies. Woo. All right, it's about 12:35. Made it 45 miles down the road already. Look at that view. Not too bad. My uncle lives right here on this road. Might as well stop and say hello. It'd be pretty rude to just pass on by. Nobody is here. I don't have any phone service to contact anyone. I don't know, I'll wait around a few minutes, see what happens. I've been here about an hour. I haven't heard anything. It's still early, about 1 o'clock. I'm gonna keep on going down the road. Boulder's about 20 miles or so. We'll see. Break time. Colorado style. So far so good. I'm feeling it. Oh yeah. All right. Downtown Boulder, Pearl Street Mall. Figured you see a few more smiles out here in in the rich country. Doesn't seem to be the way. I guess all these material goods aren't really doing a whole lot of uplifting for these people around town, know what I'm saying? Whew. I think I'm the happiest person out here, and I'm flat broke window shopping. Wow, nice shoes. I think those people over there are smiling. I don't know. I'm pretty sure they were smiling. That's cool. I think I just looked at about 1,000 people. I don't think I got one hello. Better keep it moving. Hey. Oh, got a hello. And we've seen somebody smile. Wow, this place isn't completely dead. Pretty close though. Pretty freaking close. I think it's too close to call. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it moving. This place used to be cool. It's a shame what money does to people. Let's keep it going. We came, we saw, and we conquered. We're out. Alright, just outside of Boulder. Starting to sprinkle a little bit. I don't know why. For whatever reason. I don't have a rain suit anymore. No poncho, nothing. I'm gonna need to find somewhere to set up for the night. Might be a wet one. Let's do it. It's about 5:18. Here's a church. There's a cliff. Let's see what's up over here. I'm gonna be honest with you, that don't look half bad. I'm gonna roll down there. Not a bad spot. Look at that view. Yeah, I like it. I think that's a pretty successful first day back on the road. What is that? About 75 miles? Yeah, I totally could have gone a little farther. Yeah, probably a few more hours of daylight. Just don't want to tire myself out too much on the first day. But it's like, when you decide you're going to quit early, what are you going to do? Because I'm all out here by myself. I don't have no internet. It's pretty boring. Slip these two off and shazam. There's my bed. Look at that. I don't get much easier, huh, mate? I do have about $75 in food stamps to last me. Hopefully it'll last me for another 7 days till I get to Flagstaff. Got about 27 cents in American money. I think I'm gonna make it. Faux show. Hey, what's up? Whew. Oh yeah, this is totally a winner. Totally a winner. Ugh. Check it out. Damn, look at that view. Whew. Right there on the ground. No problems at all. Let's get this stuff packed up. All right, packed up. I knew this was going to be a good spot. Oh yeah, that was totally a winner. Big score.